Well, good Wednesday evening to you. Lord of mercy, it's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home, The Sticks. Hope everybody's having sure enough good.
It's hump day.
But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, I done upgraded my Excalibur Dehydrator. I'm so excited, why not share the excitement? So give me a second, and that's what we finna do. All right, you and y'all, here we go. I apologize for the light, but it is actually really late. I got off of work late today, but this is my Excalibur 9-tray dehydrator. But what I did was I upgraded my trays on this dehydrator to the stainless steel food grade trays. And that's what they look like. Made by Excalibur, really well made. And I think these are going to work out a lot better than these right here. And this is the ones that actually came with the dehydrator. These are the plastic ones. And as you can see, it's just old simple dimple. Has this little food tray mat that goes on top of it. These are quite flimsy. You know, they flimsy. They work though, and they work really well. But what I wanted to do was upgrade those trays, because I use the far out of this dehydrator. I do like a lot of jerky and stuff like that, so I use it a lot. And I wanted something that was food safe, food grade safe, and sturdy plus easy to clean. Thus, I went with the stainless steel replacement trays, and I'm excited as all get out. But I ordered these trays, stainless steel trays, off of Amazon. I'm a real big fan of Amazon. Never really had a problem with Amazon until today. And Lord of mercy, I was fit to be tied. I received these, UPS dropped these upgraded trays off to me. I think it was today, it might have been yesterday. But anyways, the box that I received them in was poorly packaged. I mean, they didn't have any cushion, nothing in the box. Let me show you what the top rack, and there's 9 of them, because that's a 9 tray dehydrator. So all of these trays were just stacked on top of each other, 9 high. The first one on top of the stack was this one right here. And I don't know if you can see it. You see that piece of metal that's sticking up? And there's I don't know if it's gonna pick it up or not, but there's actually right here, there's actually a piece of stainless steel that came unwelded, and it's sticking up. That right there, if you're not careful, that right there will hurt you. It'll rip you wide open and you'll be bleeding for days. So I contacted Amazon. I was like, look, this is what I bought. I paid a pretty good bit of money for it, because Lord of mercy, I don't have a lot of money, but I just wanted to upgrade my trays. And what I'll do is I will put a link down in the description to anybody that may have a 9 tray or just an Excalibur dehydrator that runs a 15 by 15 food tray. Yeah, if you're interested in it. They really well built. Amazon didn't pack them right. So anyways, I got on the phone with Amazon, explained to them what happened. And come to find out, they do not have or will not send out a replacement for anything that was damaged in this shipment. Or if you order the 9-piece stainless steel set, there's not like a replacement for it. So needless to say, I wasn't happy about that, because I spent a bunch of money on getting these things. And the Amazon representative actually said, you know what, Mr. Dan, you could just go ahead and use these, use what you have throughout Christmas, and then you have 30 days to return them, just send them back. And I was like, no. So I actually got in touch with a supervisor at Amazon, and I wish I'd have talked to him the first time before anything else. But anyways, told him what had happened, told him that I was certainly not going to buy a single replacement upgrade tray for my Excalibur. I wasn't going to do that, because Amazon poorly shipped what they sent me. So needless to say, long story short, he's sending me out a replacement tray or food tray for my Excalibur free of charge. Really happy about that. I'm not gonna dog on Excalibur on these trays because it's not their fault. Somebody just didn't pack it right. So all in all, I am extremely happy with the purchase off of Amazon. As far as the upgrade to my Excalibur, I would suggest that anybody that has an Excalibur, hey look, if you want to upgrade your trays to the food grade stainless steel ones, wise choice. Lasts a lot longer, and I feel a whole lot better because they are food grade trays made out of stainless steel. Second part of this is I have 9 of these things right here. These are the original trays that came with my Excalibur. 9 of them in real good condition, have the mats that come with it from Excalibur. What I'm gonna say is, if anybody has, you and y'all that watch my videos and y'all into dehydrating, now you have an Excalibur machine and it will take a 15 by 15 tray. Let me know if you would like to acquire these trays right here. I have no use for them, and I'm a big fan of passing things on. I can't use them. I'm not going to sell them, but I would give them away to somebody that could use them. I will actually ship these out to you on me, just so somebody else can use them. I'm not going to use them. I hate to see them sit there and do nothing, so I'd rather give them away to somebody that could use them. Now please, again, I'm going to send these out to whoever can use them. Please have an Excalibur food dehydrator or something of that sort that accepts a 15 by 15 tray. I want these things to go to somebody that could put them to use. This is going to be a really short video. It's pretty late over here. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over, give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff, really. With that being said, you know what's coming down, referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine, and I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, especially if you want to upgrade your Excalibur Dehydrator. And Dan Referee will see you and y'all in the next video.